Today, we talk about Alright, so again, Dinobot Masterpiece sneak peek, baby. Closer look coming soon. Hey, yo! It went from that to that, bro? Okay. Anyway, didn't want to do it to him, but ended up doing it. Bop and Bop. Hey, yo! Bro. I just couldn't resist, man. Sneaker of the year, am I right? Shut the... Anyway, bro, it's all about this right here. It's all about this right here. Oh, loaded. These pods are kind of what put me over the edge to get these, but not for real. The sand desert, yeah. Desert sand, sorry. Nike React. Ooh, you can feel the squishiness. Obviously, I bought the OG sale colorway, had to, with the Element 87 being the first ever lifestyle React foam cushioning model from Nike. And to me, this was the best colorway that's ever come out of that shoe. And I have the perfect socks to go with it, which do help as well. You see, obviously, the cork still in there with the big old Nike swoosh in there, the see-through-ish. And yeah, I'll get you a quick on foot. Why not? But yeah, just love this mix of copperish materials with lime / Volt. Just Nike crushes it on Volt more often than not, am I right? You see that lovely cross-stitching detail. The laces. Would have been nice to get a little bop of Volt on the anklets there. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, you get some nice suede patches there. Little mini swoosh, of course. And yeah, man, it's all about them pods. All about them pods. A little mini swoosh there too. Yeah, man, just hard to beat. But yeah, I don't know. I just figured I'd get another colorway of the Element 87th. Just couldn't resist. Couldn't help myself. Wasn't too bad over retail. So it is what it is. There you go with the Nike React. And then, of course, does this one have the little pinwheel of the Nike swooshes? Yeah, boy. Look at all that many swooshes in a circle. La, la, la. There you go. Oof, loaded. All right, so I just wanted to pull out the stuff, and just so you can get a better appreciation for the insole here. You get Nike React written in the cork, and you can see it through the see-through-ish, which is so dope. I'm telling you, man, this is my by far favorite colorway. You don't really see this kind of combination of colors on a shoe. I feel like if I were to make a Nike ID or get asked to collaborate on a shoe, one of the colorways would be inspired by this. It's just such a unique look. I feel like I feel like on an Air Max 1, this could be insane if you use like a Volt swoosh, or maybe a much subtler swoosh. Oh man, I have such a hard time sometimes being subtle enough, because this is like subtle enough. With a Volt swoosh, I obviously would have loved it too, but like obviously would have, I don't know, man. Loaded, yeah, these are gorgeous. What are those? Hey, yo. So you see here, I got the Elite socks, which I haven't busted out since I played basketball God knows how long ago. I thought it'd be a perfect fit for this shoe, but it's a slightly more of a green than it is a Volt. But it gives you a little clue as to what it's going to look like on foot. Not sure why I'm out of breath just tying the laces. That's not a good sign. But yeah, man, it's, I don't know, I just feel like this Element 87-ish is just, something I couldn't pass up. It's the new up-and-coming flagship modern-day Nike products for Nike, and it is what it is. So, felt like I couldn't go wrong with these. Just love the way they look on foot. But yeah, black laces would definitely look well with this too, especially because I hate how, even with tapered joggers, you get a little ride up, so you still see the socks, which some people will be bippity boppity, but other people will be like, not as clean of a look as just straight up uniform black all the way down, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's just a super, super slick look. I love the pods on the bottom with the Volt. Just super, super dope. So yeah. See you next time.